AirCrackNG is pre-installed in Kali Linux. However, you can download it for Windows or for Mac OS from the official website. It is a complete suite of tools to assess Wi-Fi security. It can crack passwords of Wi-Fi networks which are WPA or WPA2 or WEP encrypted by the method of brute forcing. This uses FMS attack, which stands for Flerver-Mantin and Shamir attack. It works firstly by capturing a four-way handshake with the AP, that is the Wi-Fi router. The four-way handshake is obtained by deauthenticating the devices connected to the target Wi-Fi network using AirPlay NG. And then it can perform a brute force attack using a word list of your choice. In such a way, AirCrackNG cracks WPA, WPA2 and WEP Wi-Fi passwords. Remember that stronger passwords are always harder to crack. For more guidance on how to use AirCrackNG, watch one of my other tutorials. The link to that video will be in the description below. Ettercap is available for Windows and Linux. Unfortunately, the Windows version of Ettercap is having some issues and it doesn't work fine. Ettercap stands for Ethernet Capture. Ettercap is the most comprehensive suite for man-in-the-middle attacks. Using Ettercap, you can perform a man-in-the-middle attack, and hence you can sniff the passwords and usernames from a victim's PC which is on the same network that you are connected to. This tool features ARP poisoning. Hackers use this technique to sniff your personal info by placing themselves as the man in the middle. If once you are infected by this, then the information that you send over the network is vulnerable. This includes sniffing your online banking details, email credentials, and more of your personal data. That is why it is not recommended to connect to a public Wi-Fi, because the information that you send over that network can be seen by others. Wireshark is an open source packet analyzer. It comes with graphical user interface. It is available for Linux, Windows and Mac OS. It comes pre-installed with Kali Linux. Wireshark captures the network packets and tries to display them in human readable format. It uses various color codes in order to show the information clearly. In simple words, using Wireshark, you can sniff usernames, passwords and the websites that are visited by a device which is connected to the same network that you are connected to. Which means you can remotely hack a device which is connected to the same network. John the Ripper is available for Linux, Windows and Mac OS. Once again, this software comes pre-installed with Kali Linux. John the Ripper is an offline password cracking tool which is used to crack password hashes. At present, it can crack more than 40 password hash types such as DES, MD5, etc. You just have to mention the password hash of the password which you want to crack, and John will crack the password hash for you. However, this is a time-taking process and it completely depends upon the strength of the password. SQLmap is available for Linux, Windows and Mac. It is pre-installed on Kali Linux. SQLmap is an open source penetrating testing tool used to exploit SQL injections flaws into database servers. It comes with a powerful detection engine. It can be used for database fingerprinting, data fetching from the database. At present, it can hack MySQL, Oracle, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, Microsoft Access, IBM DB2, SQLite, Firebird, Sybase, SAP, MaxDB, HSQDB, and Informix databases. Using this tool, you can fetch a vulnerable website and then hack into its database, which may contain personal data. such as the site, password, and username.